What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your Samsung Galaxy A21. Stay tuned. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope everyone's safe out there. We're going to get straight into this video and I'm going to show you how to speed up your Galaxy A21. Now the first thing we're going to do is start off with the traditional way. We're going to go into settings right here. And we're going to scroll all the way down to About Phone. Go ahead and click on that. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on Software Info. Now, once we're in Software Info, we're going to go ahead and click on Build Number a few times, and that is going to unlock your developer options. So let's go back. Now, as you guys see, we have another option called Developer Options. Go ahead and click on that. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down to all of the animations. Now, once you're on the animations, as you guys see, I have all of the animations off. Now, I don't recommend this for most people. I recommend putting it at 0.5x. Now on default it's going to be at 1 times, but that I feel like is way too slow. But as you guys can see, it is pretty quick, and if you want to make it quicker, obviously turn off all of the animations, but default, this is how the animations are. They're very, very slow, as you guys can see. So if you want to go ahead and speed those up, put those on 0.5 and you will have a much better experience. Now the next way to ensure that your phone is going to run smoother for a longer period of time, obviously changing the animation speed can only do so much. Now that was pretty much the traditional way of how to speed up your Galaxy A21. The next way I'm going to show you is actually in settings as well. So we're going to go ahead and get this drop down bar menu, go ahead and click on settings, and we're going to scroll down to device care. So once you get to device care, go ahead and click on this. Now it's going to take you here. As you guys see right here, I'm 100, so I'm good. Now we have our battery right there at 22 hours. We have our storage at 15 gigabytes, and we have our memory at 1.3 gigabytes as far as the RAM goes. But if you guys are lacking in any of these categories, we can actually go ahead and press optimize now. If it says you're 100, then you're good. But if it doesn't, go ahead and click optimize. That's basically going to delete any residual storage that is unneeded from applications from the past that have memory on it. So you're going to free up storage, and you're also going to make your phone run better. It's going to also stop applications that you don't use or haven't been in use. Another thing you can do is go to this light bulb up there in the top right corner, and it says refresh with auto restart. So you can go ahead and turn that on to improve your performance. So this basically schedules automatic restarts when your phone's not in use. That's always something good to do. But you guys can go ahead and play with those settings and check those out for yourself. But if this video did help you at all, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.